What is up, guys? English for beginners, record yourself, day 6. Today topic is current events and popular news. Yeah, something related to current event in your country or popular news worldwide or in your country, something related to this topic. You can share anything related to this topic. Try to record yourself, try to improve your speaking skills. That is what is important. We need to improve our speaking skills. That's why I'm doing this as well. So today I chose to talk about ChatGPT, which is a popular news worldwide these days. That's why I chose this topic. There are so many things that we can talk about ChatGPT, but I'm going to talk a little bit about ChatGPT, about positive things. So many people have shared their perspective on ChatGPT, and some of them didn't appreciate it. But honestly, I don't want to share anything negative about ChatGPT because everything has pros and cons, and the important thing is we have to sort out what are the good things, what are the benefits that we can have using them. So that's why I think we cannot point out anything that it is bad, because it depends on how we use them. That's why I think ChatGPT is useful for all of us, and also we cannot avoid technical developments. We have to go with flow, and since ChatGPT is so useful, we cannot avoid it. And as an English learner, I'm having so much support using ChatGPT, so I can share my experience with you that I'm using ChatGPT as a learner, English learner. I use ChatGPT as my coach. I use it as my teacher. Sometimes when I'm doing writing in English, I ask ChatGPT to correct my mistakes. Not correct. I ask ChatGPT to show my mistakes, and then it shows my mistakes, and also it rewrite my writings in a correct way. So it's so useful for me to correct my mistakes. And also sometimes I use ChatGPT as a friend. Sometimes I ask ChatGPT their point of view on my ideas. Sometimes when I came up with new ideas, I ask ChatGPT to share some details, some information about it, and it's so helpful. Sometimes it's so useful, so informative. We can ask anything, ask about anything, and sometimes so easy to research using ChatGPT. It's so faster than Google, I think. I don't know, I think so. I feel like it's faster than anything, and I can ask about anything so easily. It in a short time it shows a lot of information. That's why it's so useful. I'm having so much support using ChatGPT, and I think anyone can use it that way, as a teacher or as a coach or maybe as a friend. So I think it's so useful for anyone, and there's nothing wrong with it. It depends on how we use them. That's why I think ChatGPT is so useful. But I know it's not as good as having a teacher or coach in person. It's so good to have a teacher or coach in person to learn something new. But it is using ChatGPT is so good until we teach ourselves to learn something. We teach ourselves to learn something. It's so useful. Using ChatGPT is so useful. That's why I think ChatGPT is a so great thing, but it depends how we use it. That's all about ChatGPT for now. I think you can share your opinion. Just comment below. What do you think about ChatGPT? Do you use it, or do you think it's not good for us? So please share your opinion. I'm curious to know, and also I'm curious to know you are practicing or not, whether you are practicing or not. Just share you are practicing or not. I'm curious to hear that. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Bye.